Siyalandela umshado kaPhetheni kanye ke noNjengaye emva kwalamaqiniso ke asephumile. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Sibongile and the Lamanites from the 28th to the 30th of April 2025 on Monday. The day goes from bad to worse for Phetheni when she discovers Njengaye's plan. Samge gets even more conniving after successful getting Sawundweni sent out to Stoat School, who Velephi last in Vuma's house on Tuesday. After being suddenly admitted to hospital, Qaphelani learns of his grim diagnosis. Velephi and Samge's war intensify as Velephi armors up and readies to fight back on Wednesday. Qaphelani and the family grapples with his diagnosis, but he only has one thing on his mind. Meanwhile, Sibongile's first day as a promo girl doesn't go as well as she thought it would. Velephi set her plans in motion. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.